Hi, I'm AI Girl. You might be surprised, but this is actually my AI avatar speaking. It lets me bring you more videos, more often, using my own scripts, my ideas and my voice, without having to chase the perfect lighting or quiet room to record. It's still me, just with a little AI-powered help. Today, we're diving into the weird and wonderful world of artificial intelligence. We're going to break down what AI actually is, how it works, and throw in lots of pizza, robot assistants, and yes, a few giggles. Let's go! So, what even is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, and at its core, it means teaching computers to do things that normally require human smarts, like turning a selfie into a talking avatar and making you look like a CEO in every language, or answering your customer service chats 24/7. Yes, that customer representative Linda you chatted with at 2 a.m. is definitely not a real Linda. Maybe creating viral TikToks from long and dull YouTube videos. Tools like Opus Clip can now do in minutes what editors used to need hours for. Even designing your logo and website with no design degree in sight. You can simply describe the vibe and boom, brand kit ready to go. But how does it actually work? At heart, AI is a really simple idea, which is instead of programming it to follow step-by-step rules, we give it data, lots of data. And from that data, it learns to recognize patterns and make decisions. Let's peek under the hood and see how AI actually works in steps. First step is training and learning from data. Think of it like teaching a kid to sort laundry. On day 1, they mess everything up, white shirts tossed in with dark jeans, tragic. But day 2, you show examples. This is light, this is dark. Never mix these with red socks unless you want everything pink. With enough examples and a few mistakes along the way, the kid learns. They start seeing patterns. Whites go together, gym socks go solo. AI learns in the exact same way. It gets fed thousands of examples, photos, texts, sounds, and through trial and error, it starts to understand the rules without anyone specifically coding those rules in. It uses mathematical models called algorithms, like neural networks or decision trees to figure it all out. Step 2 is feature extraction and pattern recognition. Now imagine an AI that's been tasting 10,000 juices. It learns that orange juice is yellow and tangy, apple juice, light and sweet, tomato juice, suspicious at best. Eventually, it can analyze a new juice and say this one's 70% apple, 20% mango, and 10% marketing hype. That's pattern recognition. The AI doesn't actually understand flavor, but it's learned which features go with which labels. It's the same for images, sounds, and words. AI finds the key features that help it classify or respond. Step 3 is making predictions or decisions, in short, inference. You show it a photo, it looks at the shape, the colors, the texture, and thinks, okay, this has ears, some fur, chances of being a dog is 91%. Let's go with dog. This is the classic, is it a chihuahua or a blueberry muffin meme? AI has to deal with that level of confusion all the time. That moment of decision-making is called inference. After all these, there is a bonus step, feedback loop and learning from mistakes. This is the coolest part. AI can keep improving over time, just like a gamer, grinding levels. Let's say you're training an AI to play Super Mario. First few games, Mario walks straight into enemies, again and again. But then it learns that those are bad, mushrooms are good, and flags mean victory. With every new attempt, the AI gets a little better. It learns from its failures and adjusts. That's retraining, and in some systems it's called reinforcement learning. Not all AI is created equal. Let's meet 3 main types of AI with a vibe check. First, we have the narrow AI or the specialist. This is the AI that does one thing really well. It's like a barista who makes the best latte on earth, but can't even toast bread. Most AI today is narrow. For example, Siri, Google Maps, Netflix recommendations. They are focused and they are great at their one job. Despite the hype around AI, even the most popular AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Midjourney are all narrow AI. Then will come the general AI, or the all-rounder. It will have imagination and be able to do everything a human can do. It will learn, reason, solve any problem. This doesn't exist yet, but sci-fi movies really want it to. Finally, we'll have super AI, or dare I say, the overlord, which is the AI that's smarter than all of humanity combined, the kind that could run the world. It's fun to panic about this, but we're not there, not even close. Quick answer is simply no, but it will change how we work. AI isn't here to take your job, it's here to take your boring tasks. Data entry, gone. Scheduling meetings, handled. Writing copy, no problem. The people who'll thrive are the ones who work with AI, not against it. So make friends with it. Think of AI as your super smart intern who never sleeps, doesn't take breaks, and runs on pure math. And there you go, your crash course on what AI is, how it works, and why it's kind of like a robot toddler with a photographic memory and a questionable sense of humor. If this helped you feel smarter, or at least made you laugh, hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe even tell your smart speaker you're proud of it. It needs love too. Also, drop a comment and tell me what's the coolest way you've seen AI used. Let me know if you've got any questions. I promise that no question is too basic here. I'm How to AI Girl, and I'll see you in the next one. From laundry socks to memes gone wild, AI is like a brilliant nerdy child. It learns with flair and some mistakes, predicts your juice, then deepfakes lakes. It's not here to steal your gig, just helps with tasks, both small and big. So grab your bot, embrace the ride. This nerdy future's on your side.